Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Reaper here back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This week it is the Bones version of Ankoa, the barbarian hero from the Bones 4 Kickstarter set. He has been primed in German Panzer Grey and I'm starting off with elven flesh for all of his exposed skin. I'm trying to keep it more of a neutral colour scheme on this one as it feels more fitting for a barbarian. With the skin all finished, I used fur brown for all of the fur parts, including his boots, as they're entirely fur. Now the fur is all done, I used Banshee Brown to do all of the parts that I would consider regular leather. So his padded armor, his bracers, his belt, all that kind of stuff. While the leather is drying, I used matte black to do his hair and the base. Next I used dirt spatter to do the axe handle and the straps on his armor just to add a bit of variety. That will be it for all of the browns. I next used gunmetal to do all of the metallic parts, including the parts that are going to be gold in the end. While the gunmetal is drying, I used matte white for his eyes. I then done the pupils and tidied up the mess that I made off of camera. Now the metal is all dry, I used greedy gold to do his belt buckle, necklace and the emblem on his sword. Next I moved on to the washi, starting with flesh wash for all of his exposed skin. I then used strong tone to do the rest of the mini, making sure to keep it pretty thin on his weapons and the piece of leather he has on his back. And that will be it for Ankoa. Nice, quick, simple barbarian ready for the table. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.